At Syverson Strege, it's important that you experience a welcoming spirit, cheerful attitude, and bright smile to greet you. Let me show you around the office.
Welcome to Syverson Strege.
Knowledge speaks, but wisdom listens. Welcome to our family room.
Thanks for stopping by.
It's called the Pit, but really, it's where awesome people are. A lot of important decisions are made in here.
A place for collaboration.
Everyone needs to take a break to relax, rest, talk, and refresh.
A stocked refrigerator, a perk for our clients and Syverson Strege employees.
Need a shot of espresso or a yummy snack? Ask Debbie.
We live out all our core values, every single one.
Credentials, experience, and accomplishments.
Comfort for our clients.
Thank you for entering our world. Stop by sometime or schedule a free, no obligation, confidential consultation with one of our financial planners. Call 515-225-6000 or visit onlyworkforyou.com.